In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an object in Autocad to match a line perfectly. Let's say you have a rectangle and you want to align it precisely with a specific line. Achieving this can be straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step so that by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the process. First, we have our rectangle that needs to be aligned with a particular line. To start, you'll want to select the rectangle. This sets it up as the object that we'll be working with. To select the rectangle, simply click on it with your mouse cursor until it's highlighted. This step ensures that the program knows which object you intend to modify, making it ready for the rotation process. Next, it's time to initiate the rotation command. You can do this by typing the letters RO into the keyboard and then pressing Enter. This command tells Autocad that you want to rotate the selected object. It's a quick and convenient way to activate the rotation feature without having to search through menus. Now that you've activated the rotation command, you'll need to choose a base point. This is crucial, as the rectangle will rotate around this point. The base point should be where the rectangle and the line intersect, or where you want them to touch. Click at this spot with your mouse. By doing this, you ensure that the rectangle rotates precisely from the point you've defined, which helps in achieving an exact alignment. Once the base point is established, it's time to align the rectangle with the line. Using your mouse, move the cursor to align one side of the rectangle with the desired line. You'll notice that the rectangle will swivel around the base point as you move your cursor, making it easy to see how the alignment is taking shape. Use this visual feedback to guide your adjustments until the line and rectangle edges are perfectly aligned.